You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is z equals 4/5. Let's solve it step by step. Group all z terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 10z from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 8/5 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the z. Divide both sides by -7. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is z equals 4/5.